I hope you all are fine. So students, in the live session I asked some questions from you of the chapter number 11 and I hope the revision of chapter 11 is done. So I will be taking the written test soon and today I will be telling you the date. Okay, so yes, today we will be starting with a new chapter. Our 11th chapter is completed, 12th chapter is completed and I know one more chapter is pending, that is story of food. वो हमने पहले कर लिया था and I will be taking a test of that chapter also. But now we had started the revision with the chapter number 11. Right, so firstly we will complete that chapter revision and 12th chapter is completed and today we will be starting with a new chapter that is chapter number 13 we are starting. So this chapter is totally based on the work, that work we do work, people do work, some people working for us, right? At some we will be talking about here some places or also some people, those who work to for comfortable, हमारी जो लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल कर देते हैं उस चीज़ से. Okay, so I will be talking in this chapter about the work, about some places and about the people. Okay, so chapter name is work we do, that is the 13th chapter. Okay, before that, the what is the password of the day? Password of the day is achieve. Achieve, what is the meaning of achieve? See, if you want to achieve something, what is that? To get something successfully we want anything and we want to do that thing, that is the achieve and achievement we can say. Okay, that is achieve. Okay, so this is the password achieve. And then moving on to the chapter number 13, today we are starting with the chapter number 13, work we do, जो work हम करते हैं. As you all know, in our neighborhood there are lots of shops and lots of places are there which makes our life comfortable. How? See, bank. Firstly, I'm talking about the bank. Bank makes our life comfortable. Like we can just save our money there, and when we want that money back, we can just withdraw the money. And then talking about the school and colleges. School and colleges are also very helpful for us. They are making our life very good and making our life comfortable. They are like हम उनसे बहुत सी चीज़ें सीख रहे हैं, right? And also if I'm talking about some post office, market, so these are the some places from where we get lots of things, like हमें comfortable चीज़ मिल रही है. Okay, we are there are lots of people working also, so this is that about. So firstly here I'm going to talk about the banks. Today we will learn about some places. So firstly I'm talking about the bank. So in bank में क्या होता है? We keep our money and jewelry safe, right? We keep our money and jewelry safe there. It is safe there and we keep there. And but when we want that money or jewelry back, we can withdraw them, and we can also use ATM cards for withdrawing the money, right? We can use ATM machines or ATM cards for withdrawing the money. So this is about the bank. Like as you all know, there are lots of thieves also, so we cannot keep these things like money and jewelry at our home. So we keep money and jewelry in banks in the locker. ओके, लॉकर में रखते हैं. वहाँ पर क्या होता है, सेफ रहते हैं, सेफेस्ट प्लेस पे रहते हैं. बट इन हाउसेज इट इज़ वेरी रिस्की, सो हम लोग मनी और ज्वेलरी ज़्यादा घर पर नहीं रखते हैं, प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं घर पर रखना. सेकेंड थिंग आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पुलिस स्टेशन. सो पुलिस स्टेशन सबने देखा होगा. सो व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ अ पुलिस स्टेशन? There are lots of policemen in the police station, right? Lots of thieves also, lots of criminals. So these are the like some people are there. So policemen, what is the work of policemen? Policemen are just catch the thieves को कैच करते हैं एंड मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर्स. जो हमारी सिटी में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है एंड कोई भी इशू होता है, लाइक अभी हम ले लेते हैं एक रीज़न. अभी जब फार्मर्स वाला हुआ था, तब फार्मर्स ने बहुत ज़्यादा एक साथ क्राउड कर दिया था. सो वो सब किसने मेंटेन किया? दैट इज ऑल मेंटेन बाय द पुलिसमैन, राइट? सो this is the work of policemen to catch thieves or to maintain law and order, right? So this is about the policemen, and we can if we find some thieves anywhere, and if we are watching some problem in our neighborhood, so we can just dial number 100. This is the number of police station, so we can call there and we will just dial 100 and they will come. Okay, then after this I will be talking about market. So when we go market to buy something, buy things which we need, जो चीज़ें हमें ज़रूरत की होती हैं, like in market we can see there are lots of shops, right? There are shops of groceries, stationery, clothes, footwear. We want anything we can buy from market, right? So like I want some crockery, so I will go to the crockery shop. If I want to purchase some chips and some cold drinks, so I will go to the grocery shop. Like this, there are lots of shops in the market and we can buy anything from the market. So this makes our life very comfortable because we want that things जो हमें market से मिल रहे हैं हमें उसकी ज़रूरत है, so that we will get from the shopkeepers, right? वो shopkeepers हैं जो हमें देंगे सामान, so they are working there, right? As बैंक में कुछ पीपल्स हैं जो हमारी मनी को सेफ रखने के लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं. पुलिस स्टेशन में द पुलिसमैन, those who are working for us, for making our life comfortable, for taking care of ourselves, right? And also by the market में जो shopkeepers हैं, they are sitting for us only, right? हमें चीज़ें देने के लिए बैठे हैं. Then I'm talking about the post office. See, post office जहाँ पर हम जाकर postage items purchase कर सकते हैं. We can buy postage items, like we can buy some postcards, some parcel if you want to send, and we can just buy letters or stamps. So we can buy these things from the post office. Then secondly, we can send letters, parcels or money orders if we want to send to anyone in out of the which are just very far from us, and we want to send them some money order, some letters. You know, in early time, that time was tough phones and mobile phones, telephones and some laptops, computers ये नहीं होते थे. So that time they were just using post office. They were just posting their letters to their neighbors, to their friends or to their relatives. Not neighbors, sorry, to their relatives. They were just posting letters or some parcels. कोई भी चीज़ अगर उन्हें देनी होती थी तो वो पार्सल्स करते थे, या कोई अगर उन्हें कोई मैसेज देना होता तो वो they were using the postage system only. They were posting the letters. But now as you can see, technology के साथ साथ सब change हो गया है. We can just call anyone and we can talk. We can just message anyone and we can just chat, right? So this is about the post office. Like we can buy postage items and we can send letters or anything to very far place. अभी भी हम भेज सकते हैं. एज यू ऑल नो, अभी जो हमारा ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग चल रही है, तो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के जो भी पार्सल्स आते हैं हमारे पास, करियर्स आती हैं, वो कैसे आते हैं? दैट इज थ्रू द पोस्ट ऑफिस, राइट? देन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फायर स्टेशन. सी, fire station, there are lots of people working in the fire station. For us, what is the work of those people? To put out the fire or to rescue the people. जहाँ पर कहीं आग लग जाती है, उस आग को बुझाना, that is the work of those people, firefighters, and to rescue the people also. जो लोग उसमें फंस गए हैं आग में, उनको निकालना, that is also work of firefighter. So we can just, if कहीं पर आग लग जाती है, so we can just call in the we can just call in the fire station, and they will come with their big tanks full of water, and they will just come, and they are having some ladders and big pipes. तो उसकी हेल्प से वो क्या करते हैं, पूरी आग को बुझा देते हैं. So this is the work of फायर फाइटर्स. मीन्स फायर स्टेशन में क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं और क्या उनका वर्क होता है. So this was about the people. This was about some places. So in the next session I will be telling you about some people also जो हमारे लिए हेल्प करते हैं, हमारी लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल करते हैं. So we will be talking about that. Again, let's take a revision of this. बैंक में जो पीपल होते थे, कीप मनी एंड ज्वेलरी सेफ. वी कीप आवर मनी ज्वेलरी सेफ एंड वी कैन विथड्रॉ मनी एनी टाइम वी नीड. जब हमें जरूरत है पैसों की, वी कैन जस्ट गो टू द एटीएम ऑल्सो, वी कैन जस्ट गो टू द बैंक ऑल्सो. या बट देयर आर टाइमिंग्स ऑफ द बैंक. Then police station, what is the work of policemen? Catch thieves, maintain law and order, and we can call on number 100. 100 is the number of police station. Then about the market, we can there are lots of shops of everything we want. We can just go and buy. Then post office, we can buy some postage items from there, and we can also post the letters. We can also send the letters or parcel to money orders to any place. Then fire station, what is the work of fire people like firefighters? They rescue the people, they put out the fire with the help of their tools like big tanks, pipes and ladders. So this is about the people those who are working for us. Okay, and more I will be telling you in the next session. Hope you all are fine and watching my videos properly. So I request you all to read this chapter today. This page number, like I'm telling you. Yeah, chapter number 13, page number is 76 and 77. You have to read page number 76 and 77. And one more thing, revision of chapter 11 is done. I will be taking a test on the next Monday. Let me check the date. Monday will be 26, maybe it will be off. Okay, so I will be taking the test of chapter 11 on Wednesday. Lesson 11 test, written test it will be, written test, lesson 11 test, full chapter test I will be taking on Wednesday. Okay, I will be sending a message also. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.